Late last year, the territorial commander from Zimbabwe wrote to us asking if we, as a mission partner, would actually support them in their drive towards sustainability. They offered us an invitation to share in their sustainability conference, and so it was determined that Lieutenant Colonel Minnie Chan, as the Chief Secretary, would represent the territory. This would give to her the opportunity to appreciate the Salvation Army's work in Africa, while she herself could contribute to the direction in which they're going to move into the future. Colonel Minnie, thank you for your time today. You've had an incredible experience going to Africa. Can you share with us what was the most startling experience that came out of that visit?
首先我多謝地域總指揮嘅安排啦，俾我去到津巴布韋地域去參與佢哋當地嘅會議。我喺會議之前呢，首先去咗一個星期日嘅裏邊呢，我哋去咗一個部隊去學習啦，睇下佢哋啦，參觀下佢哋嘅崇拜啦。我覺得咧去到當地嘅部隊裏邊去崇拜咧，俾我一個好深嘅印象咧，就係佢哋每一個人都係好投入去崇拜嘅。當時佢哋係一個嘅進取員主日啦，喺進取員主日嘅裏邊咧，佢哋有3個嘅進取員係去分享信息嘅。呢3個進取員去分享信息之後咧，就有軍官係去呼召，作恩台呼召嘅時候，佢一去唱出嗰個短歌，台下嘅人就跟住去唱，然後啲人就好自然咁樣行到去恩台前邊咧，係去祈禱，係幾十人。係排晒喺個恩台前邊嗰度跪低去祈禱，唔單止係會眾咁樣去祈禱，而喺台上邊嘅軍官咧，都係喺佢個位置嗰度跪低，然後祈禱。其實整個嘅聚會咧，係由朝頭早10點至到晏晝2點，整整4個鐘頭。但係我裏邊參與咧，我完全唔覺得長，因為每一個人咧都係好熱烈咁樣去敬拜嘅，所以俾我呢一個係好大嘅一個嘅感受啊！多謝晒。
Now, you would have realised that Zimbabwe is one of the biggest territories within the Salvation Army world, made up of very dedicated, committed, passionate people. What was it that spoke most richly into your life about the Salvationists themselves?
我睇到佢哋咧係好熱心去投入，雖然佢哋嘅資源咧係缺乏嘅，就好似佢哋嘅崇拜喺一個禮堂裏邊，個禮堂係一個建築物啦。但係喺禮堂之外咧，佢哋其他嘅兒童崇拜啊、主日學等等咧，只係得一個頂一個嘅蓋，然後咧幾條嘅柱，佢哋就喺一個好簡陋嘅設施嘅裏邊就去敬拜神。我睇到佢哋嗰種對神嘅熱切啦、追求啦，同埋對神嗰種嘅渴慕咧，我覺得喺佢哋嘅生命裏邊，我完全感受到。雖然佢哋冇乜嘢嘅設施，可能喺部隊嘅裏邊一個鋼琴都冇嘅，佢哋用咧只不過係一個口風琴嚟到起幾個音，然後詩班就會一齊唱。可能佢只不過係得個大嘅鼓，然後去打住嚟到去有嗰啲嘅節拍，同埋咧佢哋有一個嘅樂器，我覺得好特別嘅。呢個樂器咧叫做 Horshaws， 係用南瓜曬乾咗之後去做出嚟嘅，擺咗啲好硬嘅珠喺裏邊啦。佢哋用呢個嚟到打拍子。每一個婦女咧，每一次參加崇拜嘅時候，都會帶住佢哋自己嘅 Horshaws 去嚟到一齊敬拜神。
Now, your time in Zimbabwe gave you opportunity to see a number of the Salvation Army's projects and programs that are funded from the Self-Denial Fund. What is it that, again, spoke strongly to you in those services?
喺每一個嘅項目嘅裏邊，我發覺佢哋有3個好注重嘅元素喺裏邊。第一，佢話到我哋呢一個部分咧，就係要去製造收入，以至佢哋能夠可以繼續有呢個持續性去營運佢呢啲嘅服務。第二就係話佢哋嘅服務係好貼身喺社區嘅裏邊嘅需要，佢即刻睇得到，然後佢哋就計劃。更加嘅第3個就係佢哋嗰個屬靈嘅關顧嘅事工，點樣喺整個項目嘅裏邊都能夠去顯示出嚟。俾我好印象深刻嘅咧，其中一個就係應該係咁講，我去到嗰個係一個嘅部隊。 個部隊咧，其實佢原本嗰個建築物咧，個頂咧已經係冧咗㗎啦，所以佢哋唔可以喺嗰個嘅建築物裏邊去聚會。咁個部隊軍官咧就開放佢自己個宿舍個廳，就俾大家就去到佢宿舍嘅廳嘅裏邊係去做崇拜、去做聚會。另外咧，我亦都見到有另一個女士咧，係一個嘅項目，佢就係一個貸款嘅項目嚟嘅。呢個女士咧，由呢個貸款項目咧，佢買咗2隻羊。呢2隻羊咧之後又有啲羊仔出世啦，咁跟住咧佢話：我而家已經有5隻羊啦，我好開心。我唔單止可以還翻嗰啲嘅貸款，並且咧佢係可以能夠去將呢啲嘅錢咧去支持其他有需要嘅人。佢哋喺整個嘅項目裏邊，唔單止係講話貸款去養羊啦，佢仲話啦，我哋睇到個社區裏邊好多個小朋友係唔能夠支付到學費去返學。佢話我哋更加喺呢個貸款項目嚟緊，我哋好想支持嗰啲唔能夠俾得到錢去返學嘅小朋友，能夠去支持佢哋。我覺得佢哋對於身邊嘅人嗰份嘅愛咧係好大嘅。呢啲係佢哋由心裏邊去發出去關顧到其他嘅地方。
And of course, we're moving close to our self-denial appeal. What final words of challenge would you give to our brothers and sisters regards their giving this year?
當我咧去離開津巴布韋地域嘅時候，我就去諗，究竟我仲可以俾到啲乜嘢嘅支持佢哋呢？我就諗起黑紀運動。弟兄姊妹啊，今年嘅黑紀運動嘅裏邊，我哋會唔會都諗下我哋更多嘅支持，以至喺唔同地方嘅救世軍嘅事工，我哋能夠去支持佢哋嘅行動。雖然我哋唔能夠親身去到，但係我哋嘅奉獻成為我哋愛嘅表達。亦都有一啲嘅軍官同埋軍兵，佢哋已經持續幾年係去進行1週薪金獻黑紀，就係將佢哋1個星期嘅薪金支持黑紀運動。我邀請你同我一樣，都加入呢個行列，我哋一齊支持救世軍嘅黑紀運動，以致佢哋嘅事工能夠得着幫助，讓神嘅國度更加擴展。